Hey, I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody, it's October 23rd, 2022, and I'd like to provide an update on things since I haven't posted any new videos on the channel in the past little bit. So, you can see the tech room's a bit of a mess. That's one thing, but the reason why I haven't been able to post videos here lately because I've been busy with stuff going on at work and also the home. Have a look here. I'm in the process of ripping out and replacing back doors. So this is a brand new sliding glass door that's roughed in at the moment. I still got to finish getting it squared up, that way I can get it flashed and insulated and eventually trimmed. So in case you didn't know, the home has 3 of these back doors, and I'm not replacing them because I necessarily want to replace them. Well, yeah, I did want to I did plan on eventually replacing these doors with sliding glass doors because I just don't like the doors swinging in. But there's a bigger reason behind that. That's because these original doors, the original to the home, in my honest opinion, were never intended for exterior use, or at least opening up to the elements. I think they were intended to be used for a covered patio, but the manufacturer of this home decided to use them anyway without flashing them properly. So the doors, with time, started to leak, and because of that, the subfloor under these doors is kind of rotten. Now this one and the one in my bedroom, the master bedroom, they're not that bad, but the one that's in the computer room was really bad. Here's a photo just to show you the rot that was under the door after I pulled the door out. It was bad. So I had to replace the subfloor about 7 inches in because it was rotted that bad. So put in fresh plywood where the rot was. So I actually got a pretty decent deal on these doors. Got them from Lowe's, and after all discounts with tax, they were a little over $1,000 for 3. These are 60 by 80 inch doors, and I've got 2 more in here that are waiting to be installed. Got to get it done before it gets too cold. Thankfully the weather's been cooperative this weekend. It's about 70 degrees outside right now, much better than it was earlier this week. But yeah, that's kind of what's been going on lately, and I do have some videos to edit and post. So I will be posting some stuff in the meantime, but for the next 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, I'm gonna be busy replacing these doors. So once I get that done and get some other miscellaneous stuff done, I'll be able to focus back more on videos for the channel. So anyways, just want to provide y'all an update on things. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to CubeCareer channel, and be sure to tick the bell, that way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following CubeCareer Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.